Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
That Micky Pacheco and many others have joined. They are a political thinkers, and they have realized that it is the Congress wants in Goa. People wants Congress in Goa, and this is a clear indication. When a leader like Micky Pacheco is joining Congress, it's a clear signal, it's clear indication. Because it is nothing but they are connected to the people of the Goa, to their various constituencies, and they know the sentiments, and that is how the leaders also get motivated, and they come forward and they have joined power in Goa, and we are forming the government in February 2022.
Well, I joined Congress Party as a soldier to strengthen the party. Election another 6 months away. So first we have to get all the 40 constituency blocks together, and that's what I'm moving on. So I don't want to take anything else. 24/7. I want to just work for the party. That's it.
You happy now?
Very much happy. So this is only the Congress is the only party who can give freedom for the country. That what today people every person today realize this only Congress party who can give the free hand to everyone. Not like BJP. People didn't have an option. After later then they had to have option and given an opportunity to BJP. After BJP coming into power, so every individual person realized and valued Congress. That's why I am here today.
So Congress Party Goa forward कडे अलायन्स करतले.
अलायन्साच्या बाबतीत आम्ही क्लियर स्टँड सांगला. आज न्ही हांव सदांच सांगता, अलायन्साच्या बाबतीत निर्णय घेवपाचो अधिकार आमचे कडेन ना. अलायन्साच्या बाबतीत निर्णय हो काँग्रेसची केंद्रीय लिडरशीप घेतली, आनी रायट टायमाचेर तांकां कितें दिसता तें सगळें पळोवन ते घेतलें.
सो अलायन्सान केल्यार तुमी वयतले अलायन्सा वांगडा अशें?
हांव आज कशें सांगतो.